this right here is a $10,000 free funded account that you can use to trade, and you can also withdraw from it. You can withdraw all your profits from it. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you the terms and conditions in this video, so make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any step, and you can get your own $10,000 account without stress. So the link to claiming this bonus will be in the description below. Okay, so once you go to the description below, you click on join my Telegram channel, or you can click on claim the bonus right here. So once you click on it, it's going to take you straight to my Telegram channel, which you can see right here. Yes, this is my Telegram channel. Okay, so it's going to bring you straight to this channel. So if you know you want to be part of this community, you have to join my Telegram channel for daily updates. I update this channel every day. Okay, so if you know that you're not part of this community, please make sure you join right now so you can be getting daily update. Okay, and 76% of you who watch my videos haven't subscribed yet. Please, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe to this channel. If you know that you are enjoying my content on Forex no deposit bonuses, please just take a second to subscribe, like my videos, like this particular video so that YouTube can push it to more people and they can also benefit from these videos. Okay, so like my videos, comment the country where you're watching from so that I can keep making videos for your country. Turn on the notification bell to get more updates. Okay, so please make sure you subscribe to this channel, comment, like, share my videos. Okay, so that more people can benefit from it. Okay, so let's go into the video. So let's talk about the terms and conditions. We have it right here. So it is eligible for just new users only. Yes, for just new users only, and one trader for each account. So you're eligible to just one account for one trader. Then a valid email address is also required. Yes, it's also required. It's important. Then the trading rules. So let's look at the trading rules. We have the 5% daily loss cap. Limit your drawdown to a maximum of 5%, then 10% maximum loss. So a funded account cannot exceed the maximum drawdown, and no time constraints. Okay, you are in control of the pace at which you trade, and no commission on trades. There are additional fees when trading. So you can see the payouts. You will have the ability to withdraw funds instantly once you have met the minimum profit requirements as stated by funded top, and your profits must comply with the funded top's internal payout policies. So these are the terms and conditions that you need to follow in case you want to withdraw. And for you to be able to withdraw, you need to verify your account. That is, you have to do KYC verification before you can be able to withdraw. You can even claim the account without you verifying your details, but for you to be able to withdraw, you need KYC verification. So this is the site right here, funded top. So we're going to be getting the free 10K funded account. Okay, so the first thing to do is to input your name, your email, and your password. So after doing that, you just click on start challenge. Okay, so I've done that already, and as you can see, they said I should check my email to verify my account, which I'm going to be doing right now. Okay, so let's go to my email to check. So in case you didn't receive their message via all inboxes or primary, you can check promotions or spam messages. Okay, so I saw mine through promotions, so you can see it right there, funded top. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you over to this interface where you're going to be clicking here. See it right here, welcome to funded top. So we have successfully completed your registration at funded top, so click here. So I'm just going to click here, okay, so that I can activate my account. So once I do that, you can see my account has been confirmed already. So it's going to bring you over to this interface where you are to log in again. Okay, so we're going to be signing in again using your email and your password. Okay, so once you're done doing that, you just click on sign in. After signing in, it's going to bring me straight to the site where I'm going to be finding the $10,000, but I've not gotten mine yet. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this three icon right there. Then I'm going to click on my profile. Okay, so you can see it right here. I'm going to be inputting my personal information, my first name, my last name, my email, my country. After doing that, you click on verify your account. Okay, so KYC verification is needed. So you can see it right here. To upload my document, a color copy of government issued photo ID, the front and the back side, and a proof of address dated from within the past 3 months. So you can make use of your utility bill or your phone bill. Okay, so we have to upload our document right here. So after that, we are going to receive an email, as you can see it right here, a free 10K challenge. So before you even receive this email, you're going to wait for the next 24 hours. Yes, 24 hours before you receive this email message from them. So once you click on it, it's going to show you some tasks that you have to perform. So you can see it right here. Please leave a trust pilot review. That's the first task to do to help strengthen our community, and join our Discord. That's the second task for you to do. Okay, and follow us on Instagram. So the first task for you to do is to leave a trust pilot review. You have to join their Discord server and also follow them on Telegram. So after that, kindly share a screenshot as proof by sending it to this email. You can see the email right there where you have to send the screenshot to. Okay, so our support team will then activate your 10K challenge within a maximum of 24 hours. I've said that before, 24 hours. So you can see it. You can see how to leave a review, a Trustpilot review, and you also join them on Discord and follow them on Instagram. Okay, then you send your screenshots to that email. So these are the tasks that you have to perform before you can get the 10K account. Okay, so after you've done that, you just go back to your dashboard and you're going to find the 10K account right there. Okay, so you can see I've gotten mine already, my free 10K account. Okay, so you can also trade with it. You can also see it right here. I've gotten it right here, my 10K account, so I can trade with it. But for you to be able to trade with it, you have to change it to the desktop site. Yes, you have to switch to the desktop site for you to be able to see it fully. Okay, like I did right here. So as you can see, I've gotten mine already. It's as simple as that. So do well to go and get yours. It's still very much available. And if you know you got it, just let me know in the comment section, and also comment where you are watching this video from. Okay, so I can make more videos for your country. Okay, so keep learning, keep earning. Peace out.